A simple upgrade that makes a gate system way better. All right, let me run something by you. You ever finish a gate install, everything works, but you still feel like it could be like a little better? It's good, but it's not dialed in. Most of the time, nothing's actually wrong. The system works as intended, it opens and closes, but there's one simple upgrade that just makes everything feel more complete. And a lot of times, that's a magnetic lock. Maglocks are pretty straightforward. It's basically an electromagnet and a striking plate. No moving parts, nothing mechanical to wear out. And that's why they are so consistent. Okay, so think about a swing gate. It could be a residential or commercial property like a warehouse or maybe a gated community. You've got your non-solar gate operator installed, very important. Gate open, gate close, everything looks good. But then you think about when the gate is closed. You've got wind, you've got pressure on the gate, people pushing, cars, whatever. You've got daily use. This is where adding a maglock really helps. It kind of splits the job up. The operator handles opening and closing, and the maglock handles holding the gate in place. So now the system isn't working as hard when closed. The gate moves the way it should, and it stays secure when it's closed. And depending on what you're working on, you can choose the holding strength that makes sense. You've got 600-pound option for lighter setups and 1200-pound for things like gate or areas where you want more holding force. And especially outside, where you've got weather and constant use. A maglock is one of those small upgrades that just makes the whole system more secure. And it's not about changing everything. It's just about adding the right piece to make it all work together. At All Security Equipment, we carry all types of magnetic lock. So whatever you're building, we can get everything so your installation can be as secure as possible. And if you have questions about maglocks or need help designing your setup, just contact us at 800-730-8382 and we'll be happy to help you. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.